My name's Emma Soul and with me is Changez and we're both barristers at Farrar's building. We're going to give you a short introduction to employment law here. At Farrar's we recognise that anybody involved in employment law, be they an employee or an employer, may well be significantly overwhelmed and indeed daunted by everything that might come at them in the employment law scope. Even an employer with a well-drilled HR team may need at some time an expert, independent eye, and at Farrar's we provide that.
The team here covers the full spectrum of employment disputes, so from bog standard unfair dismissal claims through to long discrimination trials, whistleblowing trials, wages claims, bonus claims, and occasionally injunctive relief in the High Court. We are experienced in dealing with all those kinds of matters.
The types of clients we have range from the individual employee dealing with perhaps a grievance, right up to the household name companies, the big conglomerates, and everything in between. Public services, blue chip companies, educational institutes or local authorities, charities and housing associations. We have experience of dealing with all those clients here.
We are London based, but the reality is we cover hearings up and down the country. We've been to Birmingham, Newcastle, sunny Glasgow, you name it, we've been there. We've also done some cases on appeal which have attracted a fair amount of media attention, whether in the EAT or in the Court of Appeal. So we're experienced at those levels of jurisdiction as well.
So what we can do to help here at Farrar's building is be involved in a number of different areas. Firstly, we recognise that early intervention in employment law is perhaps particularly important. And so if you're an employee that needs help with a grievance at a very early stage, then we can help there. If you're an employer dealing with a disciplinary matter, we can help there too. Of course, we can also help with drafting any claims or responses, and that's where we have a wealth of experience to ensure that your claim or your defence is properly and fully pleaded. We also, of course, can help with any preliminary applications. So in an employment case, that might be a strikeout application or seeking further documents from the other side or indeed further information that's missing. And also we can help, of course, with the trial. So representing you at trial, however long it is, be it a day or a couple of weeks, that's where a barrister can really help you and your company. Also in our Farrar's team we have an accredited mediator, an arbitrator, who can help with any negotiations and settlements. And that is a particular help in employment cases where looking to settle the claim early on is always advisable.